Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. In today's video, we will be installing this lovely unit from Ashimary Hair. This unit is their luxury 28-inch 13x6 HD lace wig, and I love it. If you're interested and you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and check out the video and I'll be back with my final thoughts and a coupon code for you guys. But before I show you the unit, let me show you guys what I received in my package. So this is their package. So of course, when you make your purchase, you receive some small gifts. They might be different from what I received, but you still receive some gifts with your wig. This is what I received in my package today. So this is the wig we're working with today. This unit is a 28-inch 13x6 deep part HD lace wig, and the unit comes pre-plucked already. It is screaming high quality and luxury. This is it. It is super soft, super silky. This is it. The unit comes with that super deep part, as you can see here, and you can pretty much style it in the middle or in the side and it will still give you that deep part effect. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in the description and make your purchase to get 25% off your orders. Go ahead and use my code SLADE25 to get 25% off. This is the wig we're installing today. I love it. So let's just go ahead and move along to the install. First things first, if you're new on my channel, we do not do a bald cap method on my channel. What I use is a wig grip band and then I apply a wig cap over it. So let's go ahead and make our base by putting our wig grip band on. So now that we have our base, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. And then we put our wig on. This is what our wig is looking like. Now that we put it on, again, the unit came pre-plucked and it has that super deep part. You could do a center part and you could do a side part on either side and it will still give you that deep part effect. This is it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out. I'm about to glue my wig. I will be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue along with the spray to install my unit today. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So they did send us a melting band, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to tie our wig down. Let it dry for around 10 to 15 minutes while we finish styling our unit. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. See, it has that super deep part. This is a 13x6 unit and it is a 3-part unit as well, so you could choose to do a side or a center and will still give you this super deep part. This is it. Overall, I genuinely love the unit. The fact that it comes pre-plucked, it lays great, it has this super free deep part. I love everything about this unit. It is giving a really nice luxury vibes right now. This is it. Again, this wig is from Ashimary Hair. This is their 28-inch 13x6 HD lace unit, and this is the vibes that is given off right now. I love it. It is super soft, super silky. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Ashimary Hair, go ahead and click their website in my description as well to get 25% off your orders. Go ahead and use my code SLAY25 to get 25% off. This is the final look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.